people, or hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be doing a review on my M2r kx110f from Fun Bikes. Well, let's get started. Well, this bike it's been a good bike. It's a 4-speed, 4-stroke. It's been pretty reliable, to say it's for the price. But it's a great first bike, because this is my first bike. I have had a quad for this, still got it. Say it's a 110, it is pretty nippy, and it's light enough to just throw it around. I've dropped it a few times, but there's been no damage. Problems with it, but just little. I've had it's leaking a bit of oil from underneath from behind the magneto, the flywheel bit. I'll show you in a minute. To hold the exhaust on, that's melted and snapped off, so I've had to order a new bracket. I've had a lot of inner tubes, about 7 inner tubes. To run it at the right pressure, PSI, or it will shear off the valve, or you'll get a puncture. The first time I got a nail in my back tyre, and the second time I got a thorn in the front tyre. Then for the rest of the time I kept on shearing the back valve off. It's because I was spinning that wheel, locking it up, and I didn't have the right enough PSI in. But now I run about 18 PSI in the back, a bit less in the front, and I've had no problems since, touch wood. Yeah, touch wood. Say it's a 110, it is. It does like to drink the fuel. gonna give it a clean after this ride. Yeah, it's pretty nippy, say 110, but yeah, I've had this bracket here, that's sheared off there with the heat, but it was like monkey metal. So I ordered a new bracket and I got two off of eBay, and the both was too big, so I've had to bend it and make it fit. So what else? Yeah, here is where it's leaking from behind the magneto case, or alternator case, whatever it is. And yeah, that's leaking oil, but it's not losing that much. I haven't topped it up. I did an oil change about a month ago, and I've never topped it up, and it's still fine, the oil. The top speed is 43 miles per hour. If you do get the bike, watch the two bolts here, because I can't remember which one it is, but with the stock bolts in, they like to rattle loose. Even though there is a lock washer on it, on the original, it still likes to rattle loose, so make sure you keep them tight, because I did lose both of mine. Yeah, it's a good bike. To say the price, it's got quite a lot of compression, so fuck's sake. Oh. Oh shit, I fucking sheared it off. Bastard. Another one to add to the collection. My local bike shop, and got £8 for 30. First time I'm fueling it. Bloody fucking tasty. The valve. you does this one. We'll make another video on how to change another M2. If you want to see that, leave a comment. I'll see what I can do.